Hey everyone, today I'm gonna make some authentic stew plum, so stay tuned. Crystal's jam and a plum jam put up on your bread. That look like sugar. Alright guys, so I have these plum that I picked in Miami when we went there for DK's birthday. It's been a while, they have been in the freezer, so I just rinsed them to kind of revive them. We're gonna make some stew plum. Normally when we're making stewed plum, we normally just peel them whole and stuff, but I have these cut up ones. I'm gonna throw them in the pot as well. We're gonna let these boil first for a little bit. So here I have my plums submerged in water. I am going to add a cinnamon stick, some ginger, or if you have cinnamon leaf, whatever you want to use to flavor your plum. All right, so we're not gonna add the sugar in as yet. We're gonna let it boil first, and once it starts to change color, then we can add in the sugar. All right, cinnamon stick, ginger. Now we're just gonna cover that, let it boil until it starts to change color. I let this boil for about 30 minutes and then I throw in my sugar. I use brown sugar and I allow this to continue to boil. I allow it to boil all the way down until the water is completely reduced and the sugar start to caramelize. At that point it should have like a thick syrupy consistency. At that point you want to turn off the stove. If it boils further, the sugar is going to get harder, as what some Jamaicans would call tight teeth. You don't want it to reach to that stage. Alright, so this is almost done. It's going all the way down, and when it looks just like this, that's when you want to go ahead and turn it off. All right, and we're gonna just go ahead and put this in a jar, and you can eat it as a snack during the day or evening, or when you're watching TV, whatever suits you. Go ahead and give it a try if you've never tried it before. I don't know if it's plum season in Jamaica right now, probably not. But my favorite way of making stew plum is using what we call in St. Elizabeth sugar plum. I know different parishes have different names for the same fruits, as well as different Caribbean countries. But this one is my favorite way to make it. I really don't love the June plum one. I'll eat it, but it's really not my favorite plum to stew. I really love the chermina as well. You can try it with cherminas as well. Me and my sister, we used to sit in the backyard and we used to make stew plum, all different types of stew plum. All right, I miss those days, trust me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Look at how nice and juicy this is looking.